This is how celebrities manifest.
Regularly, there are visuals running in my head.
I saw them happen before they.
I try to visualize.
I just act out.
Look out into a crowd of thousands of people.
So many celebrities have talked about how they have manifested so many great things in their life. Athletes, actors, dancers, singers, all of them have said before their best performances, they already knew how that is gonna look because they have visualized it and had internalized that feeling 1,000 times before. This is how they have manifested the life of their dreams, and you can too. In this video, we are going to talk about the method all these celebrities use and how you can use it too to manifest the life of your dreams. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Now, why does visualization help that much in manifestation? Because whenever you search for manifestation, the most common thing you will see that think about that thing, visualize that thing. Now, why does this work? What is the scientific evidence? So, it is proven that whenever we think about something, our brain thinks that is actually happening. Our brain does not understand that this is not actually happening. That's why when you are stressing, when you are panicking about something, your body does not feel good. Because your brain thinks that this is real, something is attacking you or something bad is going to happen. So it prepares our body for those extreme conditions. That is why people say so much to think about good things, to think positive things. Because when you are thinking positive things, when you are thinking about good things or enjoying yourself, your brain thinks you are actually enjoying it. Or in case of players, how Virat Kohli and Novak said that before their matches, they always think about how they are just smashing it out there, how they are winning all the time. So in their brain, they have already played it 1,000 times. In their head, even when they are not practicing, they are thinking about how they are winning every single time. So when they are actually going to play the match, they have already played it so many times. It's not in use anymore. It's like, yes, why should I not be sure that I am going to win? Because you have told your brain that every time you have played this match, you have won. Same with Beyonce. She has said that whenever she is going to play a big concert, she has always known she is gonna smash it. So that's why it's not hard for her. She does not have to be separately confident because she already knows, her brain already knows that this is nothing because I have done it 100 times. And this happens because of RAS, reticular activating system. I have talked about it in so many of my videos, especially this one. So check it out there, you will get all the details how RAS helps in manifestation. That is why visualization works. Because your brain thinks that, wow, I have done it hundreds of thousands of times. This is not new. Or for your example, maybe you have a health goal. So this is not the first time you have lost this much amount of weight or having that much strength, whatever be it, or even for money. This is not the first time because in your brain, you are already rich. This is not new for you to handle that much amount of money. Your brain already knows how to manage that much amount of money because you have already done it in your brain, right? So when you get it, it's not a big deal for you. That's why so many lottery winners or even KBC winners don't become actually wealthy because after they get the amount of money, they don't know how to use it. So it's not that easy. Just step into that vibration. That's why we are going to learn today how to visualize so that it's so easy to make all your dreams come true. Now, when talking about how to visualize, maybe your dream is to become a millionaire. Now, tell me one thing. When we talk about becoming a millionaire and when we talk about visualizing, most people, and even what I used to do is that I used to just think that, wow, I have $1 million in my bank account. And I would see that, I would visualize that I am watching that. But the thing is, that's not what you are going to do, right? When you will become a millionaire, you are not going to just see your bank account and see that number. You are actually going to use that money, be it investing, be it buying, be it donating, whatever be it. But you are not going to just see your bank balance. Or maybe you want to reach a health goal. Or maybe you want to be more toned or more healthy, more bulky, whatever that is. You are not just going to see yourself in mirror 24/7, right? But when we visualize about these things, we just think about that particular part. For visualizing correctly and to actually get that personality, you have to think about your day-to-day life. So maybe you are a millionaire, right? You want to be a millionaire. What would your life be? You have to visualize what your day will be like. So if you have $1 million, will you be doing business? Will you be going to job? Will you be going to gym? Will you be doing yoga? Will you be cooking? Or would you have a cook? Would you be buying cars? Would you be buying houses? Whatever be it. But you will be doing something else, right? Rather than just looking at your bank balance. What would that life be? So maybe you will wake up, you will exercise in home, or maybe go to gym, or maybe you will just go directly to work. Whatever be it, visualize what your dream life is, not just that part. Visualize that you have just woken up, you are drinking coffee, or maybe you are drinking water, and after that you are seeing sunrise, or maybe you wake up a bit late, so you are making breakfast. Like fully visualize that day when you already have that thing. And if you want, you can also write. So what I do is that whenever I think about my ideal day, so when I thought about getting a job, I would write down that it was before COVID. So I would write down that I have woken up right now, I have done my breakfast, I am now going to my office, then I worked in my office, I had lunch, I have good colleagues. Like that, just create a story, create your own story that you would love to see, right? All these celebrities that you have seen, they all have a story. They have all worked towards their health goals, their financial goals, their athletic goals, or singing goals, dancing goals, whatever be that, right? They have all worked towards it. So start visualizing the ideal life that you want. And it's not just for health or money. Maybe you want someone romantic in your life. Think about how you will be spending life with them. Maybe it can be anything you want. Manifestation is not limited to anything. But you will have to think of your life when you have the thing that you desire. How will you spend it? It's not just about making the vision board or just seeing that part. You will have to think about how your life will be when you have already completed that thing. Or as Alia Bhatt talked about, she would think that she is already receiving the award. So maybe if you want to become an actor, you can also say like you are already receiving an award. Novak has recently won Olympic gold medal. So you can, if you are kind of an athlete, you want to be like that, you can also think about like getting a medal at one point. So whatever be it, try to visualize that you have already reached there. You have already received those things that you want. And then think of your ideal day when you have already reached all your goals. What would your ideal day be? And see, maybe in your ideal day, you are waking up at a certain time. Maybe you are exercising or you are making breakfast. You have a nice car, you have a nice house. Now tell me one thing. You may not be able to buy the car or house right now. But what you can do is that you can wake up at that time, right? You can make the breakfast that you want. I understand that you don't have everything right now that you want, but you do have few things. It's not like you cannot have any aspect of your dream life right now. You can have few. Start with those. Then it will be very easy for you to actually embody that person. Embody as much as you can, and you will see that it will be a lot easier for you to manifest the life that you want. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for so much love in my last video, and thank you for always supporting and loving my videos. Thank you so much, and see you next week. Bye bye.